Unveiling the Miniature World, the Story of Whale Lice. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the depths of not just the ocean, but also the English language to explore a fascinating term, whale lice. It might sound like a phrase straight out of a sci-fi novel, but I assure you, it's a real part of our natural world. Get ready to unlock the secrets behind these tiny creatures and the language we use to describe them. Let's clarify what we're talking about. Whale lice are not the same as the lice that might come to mind. They're not pests that humans or typical animals deal with. Instead, they're small crustaceans, specifically adapted to live on whales. Here, the word lice might be misleading because they aren't insects. They're more like very distant relatives of shrimps and crabs. These creatures cling to whales, living off their skin and the damaged tissue, which makes them both fascinating and a little bit gross to imagine. But worry not, they're considered commensal, which means they generally aren't harmful to their massive hosts. When we break down the phrase whale lice, we have whale, which refers to the gigantic mammals of the sea, and lice, which commonly refers to small parasites that live on the bodies of various animals. But in marine biology, lice takes on a different meaning. Here, it signifies a specialized life form that has adapted to a very unique niche, surviving and thriving on the bodies of whales. Why should we care about these tiny hitchhikers? Whale lice play a role in the ecosystem that's both intriguing and essential. They help in the removal of dead skin and can indicate the health of their whale hosts. Additionally, they're a source of food for other animals, thereby contributing to the oceanic food chain. In the grand scheme of things, they're a small yet significant piece of the marine puzzle. In English, we often use animal-related terms to paint a picture or describe something vividly. While whale lice is a scientific term, it's also evocative, calling to mind the idea of something small attached to something massive. This imagery can be used metaphorically to discuss situations where one smaller entity is dependent on a larger one. I hope this journey through the language and life of whale lice has been as interesting for you as it has been for me. It's a prime example of how English can be a window into not just communication, but also the world around us. Until our next linguistic dive, keep exploring and enjoying the wonders of the English language. See you soon!